Welcome to Stock Talks with Akash. Follow this channel to create a money mindset.
Hey, hi there. Welcome to part 2 of how to skim an annual report. This is in the continuation of part 1. If you haven't watched part 1, please do so now. And then you could watch this because it will be interlinked to the first part. In this video, we will be diving into the statutory section of the Gravita India annual report. Then let's dive into it. So we are here on management discussion and analysis report. Over here it will just give you the economy review. You could see, let me just get open the growth projections of global economy. It's like stable. Advanced economy like US and other countries. We come into emerging economies. So the growth projection is 4.2% for us. So look and skip that. It just tells you the GDP growth rate of India. India is one of the fastest economies in the world, by the way. So let's go down, down, down. Industry structural. So the main material is lead that is manufactured by this company. I will say recycled by this company. Sorry. Same over here. It's an important point that it is used in batteries. Right now, there's a tailwind for EV space, so this is a good sign for this company. If you could see that reserves of lead by the country, so India has a good scope over here. We lie over here, and so many countries are ahead of us. So we have a good scope to improve. It shows you the usage right over here. It's the world usage. So lead prices actually fluctuates, which is the graph over here. Let's go down, down. Yes, this is an important pointer which I was telling. The anticipated growth in the lead recycling market is expected to be propelled by the increasing demand of the electric vehicles. Okay, so let's do. We have shown you a lot good things. However, there are some bad things as well. There are risks involved. The growth rate is 11% CAGR. Near lead recycling, it's okay. It was so that was we can skip that. Not important as such. It talks about aluminium, which we are not right now interested. So it just bifurcated its product base. Sorry, diversified would be a better word. Uh, he has also diversified in plastic. Over here is the financial. We'll cover the financial section later. Over here is just a brief summary. So if you could see, this is the current year. We are actually analyzing it in 2025. So in a month or so, we will get a new annual report as well. So we'll cover these ratios in a separate videos just to tell you the more increase is good. So if it will increase, it is good. Inventory turnover, if it will increase, it is good. It actually has decreased, so it is like right over here, not good. Same with this. So it tells you, current ratios tells you if the company could meet its short-term obligations with its short-term assets. Okay, we will cover all these ratios in detail. Debt to equity, it should be very less. Debt to equity should be as less as possible. Debt should be as minimum as possible. Operating profit margin 7%, which is quite low. We have to compare it with the industry. Return on net worth 39%, it's good. Net profit margin, it's too low, 6%. Too low. So these are not good information for a company. Let me tell you something more. Board report. Could skip the financials, we'll cover later. So this is dividend and reserves. The company is giving a dividend, which is good. Yes. Okay. This is an important section. So these are the subsidiaries of Gravita India. So Gravita India is a parent company, and below it, these are the subsidiaries, and some are its affiliates. Okay, subsidiaries and associates. So if you could see, its subsidiaries are also making losses. Net loss of 5.38 crores. Okay, and Gravita, it's in Togo, 14 crore loss. Netherlands, 4 crore loss. Gravita USA, 0.08 crore loss. Gravita Venture, okay, it's a 0.02 crore loss, 0.15 crore loss in Ghana. So these are its companies in which there is losses, subsidiaries which are loss making. Here also loss, here also loss, here also loss. So you must see all these things before investing, as these play a major role. If the subsidiaries will not earn, obviously the parent has to pay. Let's go down, down, down. There's nothing. Statutory auditor and auditor reports. We will see the certificates in these. No need to read all of this. So this is something good, not good. This is something concerning as well. So Gravita Netherlands has a guarantee of the Gravita India. So what is a guarantee if a new company cannot meet its obligations? Let's say a company is not able to take care of its own risk, then the company needs a guarantee of a parent company, so that if something happens, there is a parent company guarantee, so that the company can get some orders, because no one wants to give orders to a company which cannot take that much of risk. Okay, let's go down, down, down. Let's go down, down, down. Yes, this is something I will be telling you, the credit rating that the Gravita India have received. We will see it downwards. Let's go down. Board meeting. This is something. Chairman is the member. This is the CSR, I think. 2%. Yes, CSR. Not spend anything. No worries. Let's go down, 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 down. I think expenditure. This is a concerning point as for me. They are not spending in their research, so it's a concern for me. Okay, let's go down, down, down. Actually, let's skip few pages. Hmm. So we are here on corporate governance, page number 103, shareholding patterns. So you could see these number of shares are held with foreign institution and these number of with resident individuals. Okay, mutual funds is only a very small portion. This is just the shareholding pattern. So we usually see if the foreign people we consider as them, they are smart money people. So if foreign are investing in a company, then that company might be good. Let's go down. Corporate governance. Let's go down, down, down. Corporate governance. So remember, if you read, remember, so the price of these items actually fluctuate. So they hedge it through commodity derivatives, and which is a good thing. 59% is hedged, and aluminum is 28% is hedged. So I think it's good. Hey, this is the key point. Let me show you what this rating means. Okay, so we are here on ICRA website. So we have a rating of A, which states that the securities with this rating are considered to have an adequate degree of safety regarding timely servicing of financial obligations, low credit risk. It has an A plus, so it is one notch up from this. Okay, let's go back to our PDF. Let's go down. We have discussed the credit rating. Yes, this is the final parts. It states the we have certified that the company has compelled in all material respect with conditions of corporate governance as specified under the applicable provision of listing regulations. So governance is in place for this company. Similarly over here, and I think similarly from here. So it's CEO is certifying, and on the above non-disqualified directors, so directors are certifying. Okay, so by this I think we have reached to the end. Yeah, standalone financial statement, which would be covered in the next video. So stay tuned for the part 3. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Disclaimer: the information provided is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor or research analyst. Investing in stocks involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decision. Past performance is not an indicative of future results, and all investment carry inherent uncertainties. The author and associated parties are not responsible for any financial losses resulting from the decision based on this information. This channel does not promote any form of current returns or insider tips. Always invest responsibly. Thank you.